Hi guys, I'm Ram Agarwal. You are watching my channel 52 Pixels. Let's get started. Hi guys, in this tutorial we are going to see a rather ignored part of Photoshop which is called as vanishing point. And in this tutorial what I'm going to do is just use this image and I'll copy this image and paste this over the wall. But it is not going to be simple pasting, it's going to be depending on the wall's perspective. So let's see how to do that now in Photoshop. So as you know, we have these two images that we are going to work with today. And for that what I'm going to do is just go to select first, and over here I have the option called as select all. So I'll just select all. Once this whole image is completely selected, I'll just press Ctrl plus C to copy, which is a shortcut to copy, Ctrl plus C, and the image is copied now. Now I'll go to this image, and over here in this image what I have to do is just go to filter. Under filter we have the option called as vanishing point just below liquify. So just go to vanishing point, and just like liquify, even vanishing point opens up a new tab. So just like this, as you can see, this is the new tab that we have to work with. And over here I've got this pointer which can basically plot some points wherever I need them. So I guess you won't be able to see it, so just like I'll show you. So using this pointer I'll just mark a region of this wall and completely extend to select this complete wall. So what I'm going to do is just plot a point over here, and in the same straight line I'll point this one. Now again, in accordance with this line, so that the selection matches the perspective, I'll just select around this point over here, and now in accordance with the other line I'll select a point over here. So as you can see, I've selected the 4 points, and this is the region that I've got selected properly in accordance with the perspective of this wall. Now to extend these points, what I'm going to do is just drag this line till the end. So as you can see, the perspective is properly, like the wall is selected according to the perspective, and it's like very perfect. Now same way I'll drag it towards the top and the bottom. And here we go. As you can see, I've selected the complete wall. Just this side I've selected. I haven't selected this side and this side, but for the time being this is the part that I've selected. Now to paste the image that we wanted, I'll just press Ctrl plus V so that the image gets pasted over here. And as you can see, the image is pasted as well, but the size is too big, so I'll just press Ctrl and minus to zoom out of the image so that I have the complete view of the selection. Now with this transform tool, I'll just shorten the image so that it matches the main image, somewhat just like this. So as you can see, I've shortened the size of the image that I wanted to work with, and now I can just drag this one over here. So it is going to be a little tough job because it's not a good tool yet. It's a little laggy tool, and it actually cracks with Photoshop a lot. But as you can see, I've got this tool and it is working quite well. So this is my text, and I can just adjust the perspective. So it's that easy, and it's that convenient to do some editing on areas where there is a lot of perspective and it's not a clear image. So this is what I've done. You can even reduce the size. So again, by using the transform tool itself, I'll just reduce the size, but I guess this is fine, so I'll just keep it like this. Actually it could have been a little shorter, so let's work it out a little, somewhat like this. Now it is looking better. So this is the text that I have applied over here, and I can just leave it like that for the time being. Now what we have to do is select this region, the one over here and the wall over here. So again, with this object selected, so I'll go to the edit plane tool, and with this one I'll just press Ctrl. So once I press Ctrl, I can again select this middle point over here, and I can just drag it on this plane. So as you can see, I've plotted this points as well. So now this wall and this wall are selected properly, and with the perspective in mind, it's just very natural and it looks very good. Now it's time to work with this part of the wall. Again, I'll select this one, press Ctrl, and I'll select this one. But as you can see, it is not that perfect. It's not looking that good because it's not matching the perspective of this wall. So to do that, we have the option called as angle, or the shortcut is just press and hold Alt key and just shift the angle, so it is like shutting, just like you can say a door. So I can just work around with that angle. It's a little tough job, so you have to be patient. So I guess 33.30, okay, so 31 looks the best, so this angle is workable. Now we can just extend this in this direction, and as you can see, the perspective is matching quite well in this particular case. Now again, what I have to do is just press Ctrl plus V so that the copied object will get pasted over here. And again, using this transform tool, I'll just transform this like the one I did earlier. But now the thing is that I won't be able to remove this object because it's already pasted over here. But I didn't want to go back and then show you, so I just did a little shortcut. Hope you don't mind it. But yeah, this is the image that I want to paste over here in respect with the perspective of the wall. So I can now just start by dragging this. So as you can see, it is getting dragged properly and it just looks fantastic. I'll just reduce the size. Okay, so I guess I messed up a little bit. Again, I'll have to work around with the main object. But anyways, I'll just press Ctrl plus V once again to get the different object. Again, I'll transform it. Basically, this tool lags a lot. It crashes a lot. I don't know, it's not yet perfect, but we can work around with this tool. So as you can see, it is getting plotted properly according with the wall's perspective on this side as well as this side. Even it's getting bent properly. So on this side, again, it's going to be worked upon with the perspective and it's looking quite well. Same way over here, even on this wall, it's looking well and it's just looking perfect because of the perspective. It's matching properly and it doesn't look that bad or edited. So we can definitely work around with this one. Just that this text is little big in size, so I'm not able to show you properly what it is actually like. But it's definitely looking good when the size is small and it works properly. But today I don't know, it's not working properly, so we are just going to stop with this one. I'll click on OK, or you can press enter and your edits will get applied. And as you can see, it's looking quite good. It looks a little edited, but you have to accept that it's because of the tool now. But what you could have done is you can just add a new layer so that you can work around with the blending modes as well. I guess we can work on that tutorial tomorrow, and I'll show you this tutorial, this particular tool in more depth, and we are going to see some other use case of this particular tool. So with that being said, it's me Ram Agarwal signing off for the day. See you in the next one. Thank you.